what could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things.
Hey my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world and with your soul. And right now we are getting into my self-care day. Now, I did this with the all intentions of waxing my chin, because your girl is tired of shaving it, but it didn't work out that way, and you guys are going to see I go through all the steps like you're supposed to. But the type of wax that I was using is really not meant for chin hair, so I gotta get, the what do they call it, the different type of wax to really get in there and hold it, and then use it so that I can tug the hair out. This wasn't getting it. I did wax my eyebrows, but I didn't record that because I got on the phone with my bestie and I was talking to her, so I didn't do that. As you can see, some of the hair wasn't a lot, but I just was like, I'm just over the chin hair, and I still ended up having to take all that wax off my face because it wasn't working, and I had to use a what you call that, a razor. You'll see that in a minute. But yeah, that's what it was. I thank y'all for hanging out with me and sticking and staying with me. Your girl has been on the mend, but I ain't been motivated to really do much. All of this, all the videos that you're going to see today is pretty much like about 2 weeks worth of video, because we ain't do much. We didn't go where any places, because right now I'm going through 101 different issues and problems. Right now I have issues with my car, so I'm now limiting how much driving I do, besides the fact that the brakes are squealing because I got the front brakes fixed, and now the back ones I guess are squealing. And then on top of that, the ABS light came on, the slip assist decided to come on, and then something called the advanced service track came on. He told me that that's a wheel bearing issue along with a timing sensor or something like that. And I'm like, okay, so is any of this covered under my warranty? Well, the wheel bearing is covered under my warranty, but the time sensor thing that he was talking about was not, unless it's attached to the wheel bearing. I'm going to pray that it's attached to the wheel bearing and everything is covered under the warranty, and I just have to pay the deductible and we can move on with the car. But it's like when my pastor told me that my car was, a piece of crap, it really was a little piece of crap car, because I'm doing nothing but sinking more and more money into it. And it's like, I need a brand new battery. Don't nobody have $200 for a brand new battery. And I'm like, can I get a break? I just want a little break. You know what I mean? I'm over it.
Live like royalty, treat you like a king.
Hello, my friends. How are you doing? How's my bestie crew? Thank y'all for coming, watching the video. I'm doing a little test of my microphone here to see if it works well while I'm driving. But I'm on my way to the doctor's. It is, what time is it? 7:47 in the morning. Finally gonna get this bandage off of my leg so I can take a real bath instead of them whole baths. If you know, you know. How's everybody doing? Everybody feeling? How's everything going on in everybody's world and life right now? I know mine is okay. I'm still looking for a job. I'm hoping and praying that this one job that I find goes through. I'm going to get where I got to go, and I'll report back to y'all when I get out of the dock.
But you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far, luxury. Cover these scars and diamonds, luxury. Every day I'm alive, it's giving looks, yeah.
So the next set of clips here is me getting the kitchen rearranged because of the new refrigerator, and I'm so glad I have this bigger refrigerator. No more disrespectful tiny refrigerator. Anyway, so I'm getting all that together, but that's why things are getting moved around, and I'm doing something a little different in the kitchen, and you're gonna see that. And right now, I'm like, I need y'all to come get her. I don't know what to do with her. I'm over. Come get her. Anyway, so I'm moving stuff around. I got it all moved around. You're gonna see the finished product in a minute.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one, yeah. You with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required, cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle me? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your word. If I'm more than what you bargained for. One dessert.
Hello, besties. Grocery haul. Little one. 2 loaves of bread, some potato rolls, a gallon of milk, 2 french fries, orange marmalade, strawberry preserve. Nia got her some sausage, egg, and cheese croissant things, bacon, monster cheesecake, boxes of cereal. We're doing a little party for Nia, so I picked up a few things. I don't know what this is called. A vase. But this is for something totally different. And 2 little baskets, some tongs, cake cutter, a face scrubber. I needed one because my electric one is crap. 2 bows, some wrapping paper, a happy birthday banner. What is this? The little centerpiece for the table, tablecloth, 2 trays because we're gonna do lunch meat sandwiches. I'm gonna put the meat out. Spoon, fork, serving stuff. Of course, the plasticware. We got sweet summer napkins, and the lemon plates. This is for the cake. And I picked up these. This is a tea towel. It's Sunshine State of Mind with the butterflies. And then I got the dish drying mat butterflies. They're super cute. I think I'm gonna go back and get the other stuff when I have some more money. So that is all for the haul. Now it's time to put it all away.
But you ain't finished dinner. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to some.
Why? As soon as we walk in the store, we are greeted with Halloween. Why? It's July. Why am I seeing this now? This makes no sense. Do we even get to celebrate summer? Let's just celebrate summer.
I'm not grateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you ain't really ready for real.
So my Nina wanted a pound cake for her birthday, and we had great grandma's recipe book, so I did her a pound cake. I am so sorry I did not take a picture of it after we did it. Yep, we did this, and there's nothing extra special about it. We just do what we do. We follow the recipe, and then while the cake is mixing, you pray over it. That is the secret ingredient to the pound cakes. That's what makes the pound cakes taste great, is prayer. And you pray for the people that are eating the cake. You pray for the people who are taking the cake, who you're giving the cake to, either one. And that's all there is to it.
No, you'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh baby, you know you wrong. Yeah, I know you're gonna earn it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality, and the fact is you ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. birthday, dear Nina. Happy birthday